How to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Facebook photos at once. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Facebook app itself, let's first visit the App Store over here or your Play Store if you have an Android and check if our Facebook app is up to date. So I'm just going to type in Facebook at the search bar and click on Facebook over here. Now, if that says open right here, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date. However, if that says update, just tap on that because that means that your Facebook is currently outdated, and updating it will ensure that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open Facebook right over here. And from your home page or from any other page, let's go to our menu page by clicking on this 3-bar line at the bottom right hand corner. And scroll down a bit and click on Settings and Privacy. Now these options should pop up. Let's just click on Settings. And let's scroll down up to the Your Information section. And let's click on this Activity Log option. And you should see many options over here. And let's just focus on this Your Posts section and click on this drop down arrow. And this option should pop up that says photos and videos. Just tap on that and you should see all the activity about posting photos or posting videos. So you can either click on this all option right here so that it will check all the activity that is related to posting a photo or a video, or if you only want to delete photos, just deselect a specific activity that says you added a new video and just select the ones that say that you added a new photo, like this one. So once you have selected the photos or the activity that you want to delete, just click on trash over here. Click on that and this option will pop up, and these items moved to trash will be deleted after 30 days. So once you want to delete all your Facebook photos, just click on this, and that is how you can basically delete all your Facebook photos at once. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.